This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start now, power down mixer and equalizer, then identify whether you'll use channel inserts or stereo aux send/return. Once done, choose balanced TRS or XLR cables to reduce noise. Label each end so one goes to the EQ input and two returns to the mixer. Make sure the EQ is set to bypass and flat, and set all mixer levels to unity, 0 dB. This avoids surprises when you power up and ensures a neutral baseline for corrective EQ. Now route signal. For inserts, patch the channel insert send to the EQ input, and the insert return back to the channel return so processing is inline. If using aux sends, send from the mix bus to the EQ input and route the EQ's output to a stereo return or dedicated return channel. Set the aux pre/post as needed. Once connected, confirm nominal levels. Pro gear uses +4 dB versus consumer -10 dBV. You finish by cleaning and repairing the hole. Once the bolt is out, chase the threads with the correct tap to restore fit, inspect for damage, and install a replacement bolt of the same grade. If the extractor fails, weld a nut to the remaining bolt and turn it, or carefully cut the head and use an internal extractor. If a stud remains seized, cycle penetrating oil and heat, then use vice grips with a protective sleeve. Make sure to proceed slowly to avoid twisting off more metal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.